Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So let's just get right into this. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to look, simple, beautiful without doing too much. So the first thing I'm doing on my brows is to use my brow tamer to tame my brows so that drawing it makes it easy. Then I'm going into my moisturizer from MS Metics, and I'm just going to moisturize the under part of my eyes. Then I'll go into my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I'm going to put that onto my T-zone, that is my nose and my forehead, all the areas where I always sweat. Okay, just make sure you put that in a very small amount. Like I said, you're doing not too much, something very, very light, okay? Then after that, I'll go into this shade of V Beauty called I think it's Sea Butter, and then with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 11. I'm going to leave the shade name of the V Beauty foundation down in the description box below. Then I mix those two together and I just place that under my eyes. Like I said, we are not doing too much, so I'm kind of just highlighting my under eyes before I'll finally go into putting liquid foundation on the rest of my face. So for foundation, I'll be using this brown shade of Dream Satin Liquid Foundation. This foundation is lightweight. Like I said, today we're doing something very, very light, not too much. I'm just going to put that all over the areas that I did not highlight, and I'm putting it very lightly. As you guys can see, this foundation is a little bit darker than me. Well, that is the goal and the aim, okay? Because I already have the highlighted areas looking very, very bright. So I'm going to use my foundation brush to blend in that into my face. So after blending all of my foundation, I'm going to go into my V Beauty palette, and I'll use these two shades of powder, and I'll press those two colors onto my under eyes. Okay, I am pressing it, setting that part very, very well. You guys know that part always creases. You want to make sure you press that powder or the product that you have onto your face, and then I'll go ahead into my shade of powder and I'm going to set the rest of my face. So after setting the rest of my face, moving on to contouring, I just used the little or the light brown, dark brown shade from the same V Beauty palette and my powder brush to just, give my face some definition. Just like I'm just doing everything as minimal as I can. I'm doing it very, very lightly. So I'm contouring my forehead and then with my jaw and my nose as well. Then after that, I'll go ahead to apply my blush. To set my face even more, I'm going to go into my RCMA setting powder. I'm using a very little amount. I'm putting that onto my damp beauty blender and then pressing that onto my skin, as you guys can see me doing. So I'm pressing that onto my nose and my under eyes. Then I'll go ahead and just brush all of that out because I didn't want my face to like bake. I told you guys we're doing everything very lightly. Then I'll go ahead to draw my eyebrows. Eyebrows is like self-explanatory or video explanatory, so I'm just going to go ahead and stop talking, okay? So moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and prep my lids with concealer. Then after that, I'll go into this shade of powder. I'm still using my V Beauty powder palette. I practically used it to create this whole look. So I'm putting that powder all over my eyes, this particular color of powder. Then to contour my eyes, I'm going to use this very light brown color from the same V Beauty palette to just contour my eyes and give this eyeshadow look a definition. So after that, that'll basically be it. I'm just going to go ahead, line my eyes, wear my lashes, do my bronzer, and then wear my lipstick. So right now I'm fixing my lashes. I actually wore lip gloss. All I did was I used my brown pencil and my Maybelline Nude lip gloss. Then after, I sprayed my face with my Zickel fixing or setting spray. So that's basically for this look. I totally loved it. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. More content coming your way, guys. I know I've been so inconsistent, but just bear with me. But I'll be back, okay? Enjoy this sugar I'm giving to you guys right now.